warning was put into effect early this morning, and now confirmation that those conditions actually have been met.
Yes, in parts of the area, Nantucket, the Vineyard, Chatham, Hyannis, Falmouth, and Plymouth, southeastern Mass and the Cape.
All the places expected.
And that means they had quarter-mile visibility or less for 3 hours in a row, with frequent gusts over 35, blowing snow, falling snow, drifting snow, the whole bit.
Right.
All right, it's been wild down there, and the rest of us have certainly been involved, though not to as large an extent. All right, it's kind of hazy looking as you look at CityCam, and that's the snow that's obscuring the visibility some. Snowing at a pretty good clip in Boston right now as I speak. And also, it is cold out there. So it means it's more of a light, dry, and fluffy snow. Can fluff up a little bit. 21 in Boston with a northerly breeze. So the temperature's 18 now in Worcester. And see the winds are still strongest in eastern Mass. 30-mile-an-hour gusts Boston, 35 Plymouth, 38 Hyannis, 41 Nantucket. I don't really expect the winds to increase from this point forward. Ever so slowly, they should ease some, but it's a slow process on the coast, especially the Cape. So the wind chill is right now in the single digits from Boston to Worcester. Cape has certainly been hit hard. A solid 6 to 9 inches of snow has fallen there. You come off Cape heading toward Boston, but don't get there yet. Wareham's had 6, Millis 5, New Bedford 4.5, Duxbury 4, Bridgewater 3.5. And they may have to be updated just a little bit. All right, now the visibility, you can see the gray area, the whites are the lowest, really coming down a lot in central and western Mass. Join the club here. There's a little gap for now, right now, to the southwest of Boston, but all along the coast, the visibility is low. Half a mile now in Boston as I speak. And there's a pretty good band of snow that really exists from Newburyport up to about Portsmouth, New Hampshire, across to Nashua, coming right down routes 3 and 93 into Boston, and then south to Brockton. Also, the South Shore continues to get snow, and Chatham's getting some pretty good bands of snow at this time also. There's a closer look at those bands. So this band right in here, if it stays in place for a while, but it is moving, could produce up to an inch of snow an hour. Now, when all is said and done, by about 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, I expect 8 to 12 inches of snow for the South Shore and the Cape. Of course, the Cape's had about 2/3 of that already, at least, and about 8 to 12 around Cape Ann. 5 to 9 is what I'm expecting in Boston, and when you get north and west of 495, probably about 3 to 6 inches of snow would be the average amounts. But it does stay snowy with overall slow, steady accumulation till about midnight tonight. Then everything starts to lift farther to the north. And when you wake up tomorrow morning, a few bands around Cape Ann and the South Shore of snow showers. That's what I'd expect. See that little bit of snow around the outer Cape again for tomorrow night? There's going to be a second storm that forms. The track is a little bit too far south to do much, but it may clip the Cape with a little additional snow later tomorrow on into tomorrow night. There may be yet another one doing the same thing around Wednesday night or Thursday. But this coming weekend, wow. Bitter cold air, frigid air is going to overspread the region. And I'm telling you, Saturday night, early Sunday morning might even go down below 0 in Boston. It's a possibility with a cold, biting northerly wind and dangerously low wind chills. So we'll be certainly focusing more on that bitter cold. But for now, we're continuing to follow the snow that's in our area.